Man, they just peck at it. They don't. There we go. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is a good fish. Holy crap.
What?
Dude, this is a big fish.
Yeah.
Get him in here. Oh, look at that. All right, y'all, welcome to Brycen Miller Fishing. We're on the Cedar River right now, and we're kind of in a backwater here, so we're not in the river, but there is a bunch of bait in here, and I'm gonna show you guys that. We passed the school, but we marked a big school of shad, and we're gonna go back, throw the cast net here, and I think we're gonna pull up a load. Show you guys the process of that, and hopefully catch some fish. It's March 11th, it is, so early spring fishing. Let's get some cats. So if you look at here, it looks like the bottom's right there, but that's not. That is a big school of shad. They're hugging the bottom right now. The water's 44.5 degrees, so they're all schooled up. Look at that. That's just a big school of shad. We're gonna throw the cast net, and we're gonna get a bunch. There we go. Look at that. That's how you get bait, boys. That's fresh bait. That's as good as you can get. Good size too. Perfect for some cut bait. Yeah, we're obviously on a couple here.
Got the fish swaps for good luck.
Oh yeah, we got. Those are the best fishing shoes you can get.
I'm gonna get that treble hooks out of your way or someone.
We're gonna get Peter here some frozen shad. I might freeze a couple of these because we obviously are on a ton. Got a couple in that cast. Well, we're in the first spot here, and I go, oh, it's actually not too shallow here. And then 5 seconds later, it's 2 feet. But that's what we're gonna be fishing in, because spring catfish. 1.7. Spring catfish, that's what they do, is they go in this really shallow water. And I've been saying shallow water in the past couple videos, and I mean it. It is, here, I'll show you guys a sonar. Oh wow, look at that, 1.5. Last time I checked, it was like 6 feet. That's what they like though. That water warms up so quick. Look at that, the water's already 2 degrees warmer here in that really shallow water. Yeah, see if we can get some. We got fresh bait, so I don't see why we shouldn't get something. So we kind of got, I don't know if I said this already, we got the main channel there, and it's pretty deep. Got this kind of small secondary channel part thing, but it's not really a channel because it's like a foot deep. But it's a sand bottom. See if any cats are in there soaking up the sun. Real simple rigs. See if they work. We got this thing pretty well covered with rods, so if there's anything in here, should get it. Our rods really aren't that far from the boat, but we'll see if it works.
I need to fix this backlash anyways.
I think we're too far into this channel.
I see the damage.
This little channel here. So we're gonna move a little bit, and then we're gonna get onto him. All right, we're in the second spot here. It's 4 foot where the boat is, and then as it gets into that little channel there, it gets even shallower. This isn't the same channel that we were in. It's actually kind of like 2 of the channels. Oh, shoot. Oh no, and the wind's blowing us. Okay, finally set up here. That was, wind is not very nice right now. Got a very awkward crosswind, but that's all right. What in the heck happened to my bait?
Oh yeah, it fell off.
Oh, something bit it off.
Yeah.
If we didn't scare him. All right, set up and ready for a fish. Oh, yours just got hit. That's not my pole. That's a pretty good takedown.
Maybe down more. Grand committee.
There we go. First fish, look at that. That's not the pool we were looking at. I was looking at my pool and then his pool got hit. That one took it down actually fairly good. That's kind of more like not inside of the little channel. Oh, he's fat. That's a pretty good one actually. Yeah, that's a pretty good one too.
Oh, look at that spot on him.
I saw that. Yeah, look at it. You know, yeah, he's kind of got a little mark on him.
First channel cat of the day.
It's a pretty good one too.
Nice fatty.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Can't smell yourself.
Oh, I think I'm. Got that one up.
Here we go.
Look at it.
Second fish. Kind of messed with. They're not really slamming it, but actually might not be a bad one here. So it actually feels like a pretty good one. Oh yeah, pleasure boat made some waves for us. Gotta love it. There's people skiing out here. I did not think people would ski already.
40 something degree water.
Yeah, the water's 40 in the 40s. This is actually a good fish, I'm pretty sure.
That's a good damn bite. Here's not to move the rods.
No, you don't have to move the rods, we're good. It's kind of finicky biters right now.
Oh yeah, bud.
That's a good one. Oh, hey, whoa, buddy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Underneath the boat. Damn. Oh, you have kidding me. Oh no. We're good.
We're good. Clean looking one. Oh yeah, another. Look how fat they are. Oh my gosh. Hey, we got another one.
Oh damn.
Yeah, another one's biting. They're all coming over here. Maybe we should move a little bit.
Yeah, we can move.
Just like a little bit.
Oh, that's deeper side.
Not like deep, but yeah, it's like that. Yeah, it's not really the flat.
Oh, he's got that spot too.
Where? Oh, what in the heck?
Yeah.
These guys must be mean. They got fighting spots. He might be like 4.5, 5 pounds. And he's got a stomach on him.
Yeah.
I'd say he might even be 5 pounds. Oh yeah. Nice chin look at. They're clean, except well on this side he's clean. Alright. Alright, see you later, bud. Some gas in the
Yeah.
boat. I forgot about that.
I was gonna say something. Oh, there you go. There you go. Orange one.
There we go. I got one. Oh. I got a fish on here. I don't know if I got the takedown on camera, just because I don't know if the camera reaches this rod, but complete opposite side. All of our fish have came on the right, and this one's on the far left, more like inside of this little backwater. I don't know if he's as big. Let's see. He's mean. He's swimming up. It's a little smaller.
I'll come back over here.
Look how fat they are. They're also fat. They always are this time of year, though. Oh, of course you had to roll around in the net, didn't you? It's a nice catfish. I mean, not real big head or anything, but I mean, look at that. Big stomach. Later, bud.
Love that too. We're like shot, so it didn't go anywhere. And the reel handle broke.
We reeled up. We maybe sit here, get like another fish or two, but we're gonna look around. We kind of got like an island here created from this little like stream kind of river thingy, and we're going to go to the other side of the island, see what's over there, and see if we can pull out another couple fish. All right, we're in the second spot. So just right here, that's like This is the other side of that little stream thing that goes on the side of the river. And it's 3 feet where we're at here. Yeah, 2.9, 3 feet. And then just like 10 yards from us, it's about 11 feet. So it was a really sharp drop off. Probably gonna have like some in the drop off, some on the edge. And a lot of them are really just gonna be in this flat. Didn't really find them that shallow in the last spot, but we're gonna see what we can do here.
Oh, you had that, bro. Why'd you drop it? Why did you drop it? Why'd you drop it?
Oh! Is he on?
Yeah, he's on. Oh, he got me in a snag.
Oh no.
Still on there?
Here, give him some line maybe.
Don't fire us.
Man, they just peck at it. They don't. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is a good fish. There, he hit it. Holy crap.
What?
Dude, this is a big fish.
Alright, I'll get the net. Oh, not worry about that.
At least he like pulled like really hard for a second. Oh, this is a big fish. This is a big fish.
Alright.
Oh guys, this is definitely the biggest one today. He didn't really slam it like a big one, but then when he did, I could tell. Oh yeah, this is a big fish.
30-inch walleye?
Yeah, right. This guy, holy crap. This is actually a big fish. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, watch that snag.
I'm gonna loosen the drag, it's a little tight.
I'm worried about the snag. I got you. I got you.
Oh my goodness.
I got you. Nice channel.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a big channel. Look, he's taking a little bit of drag even. Holy.
That is a nice.
That is a big channel.
Alright, yeah.
Get him in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, over 10. That's over 10.
Over 10, yeah.
That's over 10. That is a beast. Oh my god. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Dude.
Beast of a channel.
I think he's gonna be 10. I don't think he's gonna be much over 10, but oh my god. He's got a good belly on him. He's not like completely stuffed like the other one. We're gonna weigh him. Look at that. That is a double digit.
Where's he at?
He's like 10 points. 10.18. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at that. But where we fish, that's a freaking beast.
Oh.
Look at that channel. That is actually big. His head, he's just. Look at that. That is one heck of a channel catfish. We got this beast of a channel catfish. We're gonna get him back. These big ones, you always release the big ones. That is a beast.
I had more hooks than I thought.
See you later, bud. There you go. Yep. There we go. Oh, this is another good fish. I mean, I wouldn't call him 10 pounds, but. Oh, dude, this might. I think it's this. If this ain't, this would be the second biggest one, I think. Maybe not. He's coming in easy now. Now this spot's actually doing pretty good. That was as soon as I went to turn on the camera because I had it off too, which is good. No, he's not as big as I thought. He felt big for a second. There we go. He's fat. Not a monster, good eater size, fat like the rest of them. Okay, throw him back. Catch and release. Whoa! Holy! Dude, dude, you freaked out. Okay, we're recording. You Dude, I want to put that at the start of the video, I think. It's just you falling over. Oh my gosh. Dude. Well, that's a good fish, is it not?
I don't know. I'm not used to
You have your special technique, the way you hold the rod. Like you put it right behind your shoulder. Is he gonna snag?
No, he's just fine.
That looks like a good fish.
Look at the drag set. There we go. That's better.
Yeah, I kind of have to drag a little loose, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh my God. You collapsed on that thing. You weren't letting him get away.
I had that cod reaction time. Alright, there we go.
Oh, that's I think the second biggest, right?
Ah, the first one I caught was bigger than that.
No, I don't think he was. Look at him. No, he's bigger. He's bigger.
Oh, I guess he is.
He's bigger. He's probably like a 6-pound fish.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, he's at least 6 pounds. I think 6 pounds.
Yeah, nice fish. Alright, well, goodbye, buddy.
He's got a big head on him.
Yeah, bite next one.
This one?
Oh.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Well, we got another one on. No. No.
He's on me. He's running at me. He's running at me. That's why.
Okay. What? Oh, you thought you got
Watch
off?
that other rod because I saw that red one get
You gotta watch your mouth, bud. This is a family-friendly channel we got here.
He's trying to run him.
Oh, yeah, did he cross it? No, I think he got him.
Oh, we're good.
They're starting to bite now.
Look at that one. We're gonna have a double up. We have a double up.
Oh no, I messed I messed that one up. I messed it up. My bad.
Smaller.
No, this one ain't very big. I think I messed that other one up. I thought he was on. You want to release him?
Nah, you can.
Yeah, you still got. Uh-oh. That one just got hit, I swear to you. Okay, see, bud. Oh, hey, whoa, dude. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That was a takedown. You kidding me? That actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, this one's better. This one's way better. Well, maybe not.
No, he looks bigger though. I mean, he doesn't look like a. Oh yeah, it's definitely one of the better ones though. Oh yeah. What?
That one just got taken down like big time.
I think he's bigger than your.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice one. In the belly.
Look at that. Oh my god! Dude! He had way too much to eat. What is the stomach on that? I think half his weight is in his stomach.
Oh my god.
Heck, do you want it? Yeah, he's about 8.5. It's whenever the wind picks up and it just starts really blowing and our boat gets messed up and everything gets messed up is when they hit. Yeah, 8.5. You want to hold him?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you don't like doing that. You don't like.
I like to hit that thumb.
I don't know why. Oh my, dude, are you kidding me? Oh, it's a big fish. Dude, look at that rod.
This one?
Dude, you want a picture with him?
Actually.
You can put him in the live well for like a second.
Yeah, I kind of want it.
Oh, this is another good fish.
Okay.
Are you kidding me, guys?
Oh!
God, why do you feel like you're better just because you don't use the clip?
Because I feel like a man.
They're kind of more in the shallow now. That was more in the shallow spot.
Look at that thumb.
Look at that. What he think? He goes, I don't want the clip, and then he's like, oh no, he bit me. Okay, he felt like the way he slammed it.
Yeah, the way he slammed it was big.
Okay, he's not. Yeah, he just slammed it really hard. Is that number 10?
Oh man, this is insane.
It's whenever the wind like really picks up.
Those are bait.
Just an eater. All right, we're gonna throw him back. Oh. No, no, you kidding me? You kidding me? Oh my God, no!
He didn't feel like big though.
Oh, well, that's
yeah. No, he wasn't big.
Oh no!
Get it. Oh, he dropped.
No, he dropped it.
No way, bro. No way.
It's this wind. I got him. We got another one on. Oh my gosh. Dude, the boat is sideways. I think it pushed our anchor or something. Oh my goodness.
Oh man, it's wind.
Whenever that wind picks up, they go crazy. This one isn't too big.
Hey, we'll take him though.
This is number 11. I don't even.
Of the day.
Yeah, I think he is the smallest of the day. Yeah, well, this is the smallest of the day, but that's all right. I mean, as soon as the wind picks up, they just go crazy. I mean, all our rods go down.
Doesn't really matter much.
All right, see ya.
All right.
That's good enough.
All right, bye-bye. Thanks for biting my thumb so much. Let go. Let go, please. Let go.
No, you. I don't know what the amusement is in there. Oh my gosh.
Look at that thumb. See what I can do?
That's why you don't use grips, because then you can get that thumb that's just so cool. Oh yeah. This wind is so bad, we literally got blown off anchor. We're gonna anchor again and hopefully get back on them. They're biting like crazy. Got one? Good one?
This one actually might be better.
Let's see here.
But again, I'm using Paul weight now. This one's better.
It is?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one's better. Got a good one here. One of the better ones. Usually we got some small ones here. Small for the day here, and this one just bit, and he just took it down, and he just stayed with it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, this one's putting up a fight. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he's better.
Come up here, buddy. Come up here, girl. There you are. You are a nice little one.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That is a nicer one.
The belly on him.
Holy crap. Do we got another 10 pounder?
We guess we'll get the scale out.
Dude, that might be another 10.
He said stop it.
Look at that.
About 10?
10.0.
Wow.
10.00. We got two 10 pounders in the boat today. Look at that. 10.00. We got two fish over 10 pounds. I mean, we rarely catch fish over 10 pounds. I mean, I will say probably about 3 pounds of that is right there. I mean, holy crap, what a stomach on a fish.
All right, release. He's biting on my thumb. He's probably gonna turn. Yep, he's gonna turn, and he's gonna rip up my thumb.
Yep, let's see that thumb.
Oh yeah, he got me really good right there.
Oh yeah. We're calling it a day. We caught, I mean, probably like almost 30 fish in like about 5-6 hours. A lot of them weren't on camera, and what's crazy to me is 2 of them were over 10 pounds. I mean, I fish a lot, and it's very rare to get one over 10 pounds in my experience for where we're fishing. But this is a new body of water. This is a Cedar River, which I don't really fish much. Fish a lot more of the Iowa River. Yeah, I did pretty good. Got some fresh bait. That went good. Real good day. Videos every other Friday, or no, it is every Friday now at 2 p.m. U.S. Central Time. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like, subscribe. See ya.